it's Darla's Fun Toys and it's already day 12, the 12th day of my Advent calendar. Yay! As you can see, it's almost Christmas. 13 more days to go until Christmas! Yay! Now let's get the roll. Okay. Letter I. All I felt was this thing. Now let's see what's inside. It's a Hello Kitty. Let's see what's inside. So, here's a music box. The CD spins. Oh, here. Now let's see. This is a monkey.